In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the X and Y resolution settings on your GIMP project defaults. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, select default image. And then on the right side, if you go underneath Advanced Options, you can change the X and Y resolution settings in here. Just type in what you want, or it can go up and down as well, and then select OK to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.